Bro. 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 Yo, locked in, baby. Yo. Yo, my. Oh. Trying to get this paper here. Come on. This is the make or break it right here. Is it time yet? I wish. What up, Discipline? This is make or break it. If they can break this down, you'll probably see 77 again. But if it can get over this area, you'll probably trade back up. Come on, Trump, tell me the China deal is off. Say no China deal. Just sitting here watching. Today's been a slow grind, man. Super slow grind. Oh, dump it. Just dump it all the way down. Come on. Put in that green, that red candle. Big old red one. All the way down. Push it. Yo, garbage guy came late today. No, 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 no. No. Oh, I got a sell alert. Interesting. Take profit at 188. Bro, that would be crazy. I don't know which one this is, though. I don't know if this is the unicorn. I don't know. It's one of these things. Turtle soup. Turtle soup. Dude, a lot of FVGs, man. If we can get below, it'd be a nice dump. Yo, I will. I was kind of hoping that you would do some things with it. So I'd be like, oh, cool, that's how you do it. And then I just find out how to do it from you, and then I can make adjustments. Is that not how it's going? Apparently, I'm going to have to learn how to use it. I heard if you don't use it, you lose it. I know I'm going to sell out of this shit, and it's going to dump. Come on. Give me 3 points. I just took it. I just took that off too. I was down $13. You're up 1150 over last hour. I mean, you could have made 1150 at work, but you had to work for it. So what is that DIY indicator doing for you? What are you liking about it? Damn, lucky I got out. I would have got green dildoed. What do you like about it? Oh shit. I am lucky I got out. Yo, Kathy Snyder is back. What up, Kathy? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Remember that Mace song? When he came back as Murder, was it Murder Mace? Yo, Mama Tick. Oh, CT in the house. What's going on, Luna? Kathy, how you trading today? I'm not. Am I going long to 437? No. Not even a little bit, Chad. If it breaks over 322, I will. If it breaks over 322, I will. Yo, I'm about to put a APB out for Keith. I haven't seen him all day. I mean, listen, we clear over these FVGs. I mean, I could definitely see it. Come on, bro. Bro, he's got to be still short. Unless he just took an L, like you just sold out. There you go, Dell. This is looking like a rising wedge, by the way. Something like this. Rising wedge is usually bearish, and then you kind of drop through. We'll see what happens. Two more bands, baby. 100 grand, 100 grand, 100K, 100K, 100K. Do they dump? We'll find out. You just got this 5-minute and 15-minute fair value gap. You got the 3 bar right here. Not only that, you got a breaker block. See it? It's trading back in. We go below 302. Oh, it's going to invalidate it. Why didn't Lux Algo pick that up as a breaker? Yo, Rob the Scalper's up in here. What up, Rob? Yo, you got out. It looked iffy. Bro, this whole thing looks iffy up here. Look at the freaking hourly. Things are going good. How about you, Rob? McDaddy's up in here. I'm wondering if they just drop it. Hey, you got to fight the fight. I always scout my way back, to be honest with you. I'll hold for bigger gains, and then I'll just scout my way back if I sell for a loss. Dude, you're $18 away to pass an eval. That's so easy to do, man. What up, Racer? You know how easy $18 is? Yo, go as many cons as you can and try to get like 1 point. It's so easy to get 1 point. So easy. Just go long. Get 1 point. Yo, and then go back to the rebuy table. Yo, what up, Mike? I need a Hyundai? What do you need a Hyundai for? To pass? For rent? For a payout? To pass eval? You got it. You're right there. You are right there. Oh, this is, come on. Come on. Dump it. I just need 100 for anything I want. BK, I don't think he feels bad. I think he feels bad that the market went the other way more than he feels bad about telling us the strategy. I mean, I'll be honest with you, it's not typical, but like you can't just keep DCAing. Not in this environment. You could do it if you have like a personal stock account and you keep DCAing stocks or something like that. You know, something that's not prop firm futures. I would say like that you could do. Like I know certain times it's like when the market dumped, I DCA'd all the way down and made a ton of money on the way back up. But like when your time frame is just like today, it's pretty fucking hard. You know, because anything could happen. Like you have days like a trend day where it just keeps going up or keeps going down. You know, what do you got to have a ripcord to pull and say I'm out of this shit. Like $800 down, $600 down. At like some spot, you got to say, you know, hey, I'm fucking out. Honestly, for me, it would probably be $1,000. Bro, I need that plug as well. Blew another take prop trader pro. Oh, damn. Pro accounts are fucking money too. Pro accounts are money, money. Rob, you'll get it back. You'll make it back, my man. But yeah, you can't DCA, man. Like, you can, but you got to have a stop. Ah, dude. Revenge trading is the worst, man. Let's go. Dump it for Diddy, baby. I want to see him bring it back down to the 200 here. Dude, just give like one big large fucking candle. Tell him Large Marge sent you. Come on. In all seriousness. If you go candle body, I mean, it's gonna break. It looks like it's just gonna break down. Yo, what up, Taco Tuesday? Yeah, you just got to know when to call it quits on the DCA. Like, hey, they fucking got me. You know. Sometimes you get got. I can't stand massive drawdowns. Like that to me gets me. Back to break even. Yo, break even's pretty good, probably. Dude, what? Dell's getting wild up in here. I find going in 3K of drawdown, I got 6K buffer. Woo, baby. I sold out for some profit right there. I got it. I'm gonna lower my let's go. Walter the Goat. Sometimes I can enter only the first step with a small amount. Then I have to let it run small for longer than wanted. Yeah. This rounded thing, like we go and break below 274. I mean, you're probably going to see a decent move down. What up, Akash? Back in action. So I can't click on that. I don't know what that is. Pack for more beating? That's like the guy that says, I can't beat one gorilla but I could beat off 100 guys. You ever see that shirt? Yo, I saw a picture of some guy wearing that shirt. Oh man. The oil talk and the Diddy. Yo, dude, the memes are just gonna be all over the place. Yo, Dell, you haven't seen that shirt yet? Yeah, I can't beat one gorilla, but I can beat 100 dudes off. Yeah, that was the fucking shirt. I'm out. That was a nice trade. 225. That was a solid trade right there. I figure that's right up your alley of funny shirts. Are you ordering one on Amazon right now? Just fucking get out. Kip Pecker says that to me. Oh, dude. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, is that what it says? I can't beat one gorilla, but I can beat off 100 guys, 100 men. Yeah. Some guy's making a killing selling those shirts right now. So stupid. So stupid. I think we're going lower. I wouldn't mind seeing this go all the way down to 248. I think I have to make one trade in this account actually. I'm gonna need a day. I'm gonna need another day in that account at least. I just want to get my days in. I also need to get this. Man, if I can make a couple $100 in this account. If I can make a couple $100 in this account. Bro, this is that Jeep dealership that I went to, and then they didn't have the Jeep. Hello? Bro, I think the people that work there are on fucking crack. Bro, she's like, I don't understand. Are you coming back for the Jeep? I was like, you told me to show up. I drove an hour and 10 minutes. There was no Jeep. What the fuck are we talking about?
Order filled.
Dude, if I could score this, I might be able to score a payout tomorrow. A sack of nickels. Dude, crazy. Who the fuck? What world do you think I would ever go back there in? You guys are fucking crazy. Yo, I'll put him on the stream. Yo, I should have put it on.
Order filled.
Yeah, Brandon, I got paid my $500. Yeah. They paid me yesterday. I got 500. I mean, I didn't get the money yet. They approved it. I still got to get the money. Yo.
Order filled.
That's how I feel. Dude, I'm just going to put my stop right up here. We're going all the way down. Yo, seriously. Fucking lucky I didn't end up on the news. Well, that's what I mean. Listen, Apex is all good and everything, but like it takes forever to get approved. There's rules. Like I tell everybody, like it's good because they're cheap. Like if Apex was more money, I would never use them. Take Profit Trader is so much better. It's like light years better. I can't even explain how much better Take Profit Trader is. Yo, I keep getting these notifications that my shit's almost my funded futures is almost done, like renewed, but I haven't gotten it. Dump it. Dump it. Was it 282? I'm not coming out empty-handed. I'm getting some money here. They owe me something. Come on. Keep dumping it. Oh!
Order rejected.
Keep dumping it.
Order filled.
All right. Okay. I just realized I left an order in. Jeez, that would have been bad. Yo. Yeah, the fees are not. Yo, my bad. I was in this trade. That's why I like Tradeify. 5 minutes from approval to rise. Yeah, my funded futures is like that. My funded futures is super fast payout. Apex is the long play. Yeah. Another, yeah. Yeah, Amelia. Listen, Tradeify uses Rise. My funded futures uses Rise. That's why they're so fast. And Take Profit Trader sends it to the wallet. And that's why it's so quick, I think. What up, Double O? Customer service is so bad. I don't really reach out to customer service for anything. Yo, blast mystical when I go in there. Loud as yo. Yo, that's crazy, Lee. I don't know why that happens to you. Yo, Cube. I think we're gonna dump. My bias is definitely to the downside.
Order rejected.
gotta fucking do this. Hold on one second. Where are you getting in at? 304? Are you in already? Cube, are you in? Oh, you're done. I put a micro on it. Is that like I got 5 on it? Bro, if you don't know that song. I got 5 on it. Little micro cube here. Might bounce, give a little bouncy do right here at the 200. That's why I took some off. It's exactly why I took some off. You like 192 now? I kind of want to get, I'm watching it right now. We go through this 200. It's definitely looking like we're going to go south. It's definitely feeling south. Bro, Keith might emerge from the ashes. All of a sudden you see Keith, I held and added the whole time and I am up. Dude, watch it goes all the way down. Dude, I don't know, man. I mean, we're coming down. He could be up depending on how much he added where. You know, if he added up here, all those contracts are up. It all depends on where you add. All depends where you add. What up, Joyce? Gotta hold it with 2 hands. Bro, I'm not huge into the big hold strategies. Only because I typically trade minis. If I wasn't trading minis, I would probably maybe look to hold, but like people hold like so this goes down and they'll hold this whole bounce because their bias is we're going to like say here and they'll just hold this whole bounce. They won't even get out. What up, another bum? See, I can't hold like that. I don't know, man. It's a rough one. Like I definitely feel like we're gonna roll over and touch maybe 247. You say that until you see the P&L going the other way, Dell. Yo, once the P&L is going the other way, it's like, no. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people that swing micros intraday. I just have trouble freaking doing it. I have trouble doing it. I mean, the entries are typically a retrace into like an order block or a breaker block or like a larger fair value gap is probably your best type of entries. See, for argument's sake, right? I didn't even have this up. I should have had this up. I'm an idiot. Look, we bounce, we go right back into this breaker, and then you short it off the breaker, right? That's what I'm talking about. Not only is this a breaker block, you'll also have a 15-minute fair value gap right here. So it's kind of both, and then kind of sells off. And we bounce. Look, you bounce right at this order block right here. That's not like a guess. Yeah. I looked at it, Cube. Yep. I don't know the exact setup for it. Like, what is it? It's a sweep of the 4-hour dip, come back, retest a fair value gap, and then dump. Is that the gist of it? Like, I don't know the I don't know the entire like gist of it. So for higher probability, you want the sweep of an important level. Yeah. So you get a liquidity sweep. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look that up. I know like yo yeah. It's like this feels like we're going. We're probably gonna go back up here. I'm gonna hold. hold that. But yeah, I mean, basically coming off the 200 and it's just ripping. Yeah, I don't know. I just can't. I can't hold that long, personally. Like, can always try. Always try. But like, this looked really good. But you know, you got news. Like, there's a lot of shit that's going on. I just got an alert. Trump signed some agreement with some guy. I got to read it right now. Trump signed some agreement with Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. Let's see what it's about. President Trump and Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman have signed a deal bringing over $600 billion in investments to the U.S. Oh, that was this morning. Dude, he's just fucking signing stuff. Yeah. He signed it with Mohammed bin pumping oil. That's all that guy does. Just pumps it. Yeah, I got an alert on my phone. I didn't say it was a good alert. I just said I got an alert. Sorry, guys. But yeah. It's like they had every opportunity to dump this thing and they just didn't. Dude, look at this fucking VWAP move as I move the chart around. I don't get why the 200's different on... Anybody know why the 200's different here than every other fucking chart I got? I mean, we did break that. We just didn't really get a move. Look at it. This thing's pumping. Holy shit. Dude. What the fuck? What was that? What the fuck was that? It was only 15 points. It just looked big. Dude, that's crazy. Yo, it says EMA, but this is EMA, so I don't understand why. Hudick, what up? What up? What up? What up, Pine? What's up, Mara? Mara James is in the building. Bro, they completely trapped every short that was... Shorts just got trapped. 1,000%. Just trapped. Absolutely trapped. I mean... Honestly, you should have taken off at the 200 anyways. What's a intraday master account? And what are you talking about? Bulenox? Which firm? Bulenox sleeper. I feel like that's in Topstep, an intraday master account. I never heard of that. They're called the pro accounts are just XFAs. Yo, what up, Alfred? Yeah, I think that just pro accounts are just XFAs. Yeah, I thought you were talking about Bulenox. Oh, yeah. Bulenox has a master account. Yeah, I've only heard of like intraday master accounts are all Bulenox sleeper. I never heard of Topstep being a master account. Oh, yeah, it's just a yeah, intraday. I guess as the price go, but you got to remember once you pass, so like once I pass 52,000, it's a static account right now. I think the lowest it goes is 50,100. And then that's it. Everything over 50,100, it just stops. Yeah, they're all white labeling Project X, which is basically trading view without all the cool indicators. Yo, you got that masturbator account, Alfred? Gotta have it. See, now I'm curious if we trade back up here and then dump it. Basically inverted this fair value gap right here. Oh, and then flipped it. Yo, what up, Roa? What is that? 316? Austin 316 to the downside. Oh, what up, Rayu? Yo, Neil, what's going on, man? What up? Elmi's in the house. That's the pro fish dude. Man, this market today is choppy as fuck. Like it's literally just a couple good moves. Obviously, you know, we took the short here on the break. I should have taken the bounce off the 200, but I didn't. Obviously. Obviously not. Bro, Austin 316, baby. Dude, that's like a let's see if I got it. Let's see if I got it. What up, Tony? Xanax is up here. Rosales. What's going on? Yo, YouTube fucking gave me a slap on the wrist when I played the Generation X in here that one day. Oh. Stone Cove Trader.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yo, what up, homie? It's Tony. Dude, I finally saw some of his videos. Fucking shit's hysterical. It's way too, you know, somebody wanted me to use I was like, bro, I can't be saying that on the fucking internet. What up, Bull Breakers? Bro, there's no way. Somebody sent me a short of his, and they're like, yo, you should make a short with this. Bro, I was like, no way. No way. It was too much. Too much. I think it was the one where it was like the 4 dudes that were introducing themselves. I was like, hysterical. Can't do it. What up, Piano? D-Ba in the house. Yo, who would have thought a sign guy in China would be famous? Dude, I mean, they're funny as shit. I'm not buying a sign from them, but they're funny. Everyone told me. Now, let's be real. You think that guy's name in China is fucking Tony? Come on. That guy's name in China is not Tony. It's like, it's something else. But I tell you, it's definitely not Tony. I haven't met one Chinese guy that his real name was Tony. And I'm in New York. There's a lot of Chinese people here. Yo, yeah, D-Ba, that one. Yo, it's definitely, yeah, like, yeah. Yeah, Zhao, Hung Well, something like that. Something on that end of it. Yo, I mean, I'm just being real. There's just no way his name's Tony. Not a chance. There you go. Hung low. Yeah, I mean, forget. Yeah, Net Baba. Choppy markets will get you. Get you. Yo, but seriously, like, yo, I mean, there's just no way. No way. Let me see the Discord. Oh, dude, I seen that one.
What's up, homie? I'm Tony. If you want to order signs for your franchise stores,
yo, this fucking yo. I was ordering stuff from China, and I was talking to the guy, and the guy told me he had to ask his master. I mean, shit's wild over there. Yo, Bob the Builder writes, no Chinese national has an English name. That is what I'm saying. I deal with Chinese a lot. Like, once a week, at least, I'm talking to somebody from China. And none of them they're not like, his name's not David. It's just not, Yeah. Yeah, they changed the name for something in the US. 100%. Bro, Net Baba. Took a second to tell the head did not belong to the body. Yo. Yeah. F1 Gas. I guess that's F1 Racing. He's back. Yo. Videos are freaking amazing. Yo, are we making money? Here you go, Maria. Check the screen. I'll show you.
If you want to order signs for your franchise stores, make sure you buy from a responsible sign company.
Oh, man. Bro, how do you set copy trading in Tradeify in NinjaTrader? Okay, do you have Replicanto, Siddharth? I use Replicanto by Flowbots. And then you could set your lead account. And then you could check which ones you want to copy on. It's all done in Replicanto. Holy shit. Yo, P. Diddy? Bro, is he peeing on people? There's no way. There's no way Diddy's peeing on people. Is there other way without Replicanto? You can do it. You can go here and you could go manage groups and create a group. But you can't go prop firm to prop firm just within this. You manage groups, create a group, and then you just slide them over. Yeah, there's a free version in Ninja called Simple Trade Copier, and it's glitchy. I mean, it's super glitchy. I was using it, and like if I copy traded 5 accounts, like 2 made money, 2 lost money, and 1 was still in the trade. Yeah, super glitchy. Yeah, simple copier is a terrible copier. I think they stopped. I actually think they stopped updating the software, and that's what happened. Somebody told me that. Somebody said they stopped updating the software. That will do it. That would definitely do it if they stop updating it. What up, John? Man, this thing's just going for it. Rodri, what's going on? Marco's up in here. I tried it with a demo account. Bro, it's not good. You know what it's like? Yo, that trade copier is like you being in the bar and the lights come on at 4 a.m. and you're like, oh, shit, this thing. It's not good. Not good at all. What up, Coach Fred? I wouldn't use that trade copier. Are we right off of where I think we're bounced? Oh, no. We actually broke. You know what this setup reminds me of going into this fair value gap? It reminds me of this, where we bounced inside this fair value gap and then eventually busted through. it feels the same way. We're going to come back down to like 310, and then we're going to go see probably up here again. That's what I'm looking for, is maybe a go back down to 312. Let's see what happens. Covey and ICT trader now? No, I just use all types of concepts. It's not one way or the other. Yo, I woke up this morning. I just needed $1,000. And after all these trades, I need $2,000 now. Nah, we didn't hit all-time highs. All-time highs are like, we still got a ways. To hit all-time highs, we need another 1,100 points. Yo, Oreos on the screen. Yo, we're in this massive breaker block right here. On the daily, massive. I'm curious if we reject and come through. But it's massive. Like, I just use Replicanto, Siddharth. It works. It works all the time for me. I don't have any issues with it. Yeah, Maria. What up, Oliver? Yo, Cove Concepts all day, every day, twice on Sunday. Josh is here. What's going on? I thought we were going into a recession. That clown eats cookies while losing money. Yeah. I see Cove Concepts. Love it. ITC. Yeah. Dude. I don't even know what ITC. What's ITC even stand for? ICT. Well, I don't even know what it stands for. Let me see what it stands for. Oh, Inner Circle Trader. Why? Why Inner Circle Trader? Oh shit. I'm going to take this. I'm stopping out at 46. I'll stop out at high a day. Yeah. Inner Circle. Yo, what up, Jaden? Inner Circle, I would feel like would be like a paid group or something. And I believe it's all free. I got this long nicely. Yeah. There we go. 100 and something. 100 and something. I will say we break over high of day. You're not free to comment on any of this. I didn't know he had a mentorship. Dude, I don't follow any of that. What's up, Vicious? I mean, that was a good short. I mean, that was, you know, you're right in the order block. Literally, you're right. You got right in it. It's perfect short for, what was that, 10 points? My day's been pretty good. We crushed CPI today, which was good. Yeah, things have been really good. What up, Quan? Yo, we mentor each other. Yo. I was on the phone with him before. We were having a good time. Come on. The ultimate would be to break over this, come back, retest this, and then go up. Retest the breaker on the way up would be fucking money. That's what I'm looking for. Through, back, and then boom. James, we hit the top. I'm looking for us to break through, retest, and then back up. Something like that is what I would be looking for. If we can get through. If we don't get through, then whatever. But if we can get through the breaker, my entry would be back on like 344. We might. CT, if I hit over 200 people in the chat at one time, we'll do it. I hit over 200 people in here at once. We'll start doing combos of us. That's really what needs to happen. Need like 200 people in here. Yeah, we're growing. We are definitely growing. Bro, I'm going to need some water. Yeah, no bots. No bots. I told them that we should do a gambling channel. Do that together. Have some fun. That'd be fucking wild. Do like steak and then like sports. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We gambling here all day. I know. If we go back right here, I'm buying also. 303. I'll throw 100 at everything. Yeah. We'll see what happens. I'm just putting my orders. See if we bounce off the 34. Are we going to sell through? Just selling through. Kind of like my line in the sand right here. Oh, dude, I lost, but it's only on mini. It's on micros. I didn't realize I was on micros. Just save myself money. Just save myself money. Yo, wait. Why, I hate when I buy and I don't have the thing on it. Yeah, it's definitely rejecting. I mean, I hope it comes all the way down. That's the ultimate buy, is right in here. Dude, I got a full chat of just fucking crypto going on my phone. You guys want to see something funny? I can't even fucking... I can't even do it. I can't even bring it over. Yeah, all coins are going wild. Yeah, my brother won't fucking stop. Talking about nodes and all this other stuff. What's my age? I'm 42. I've been doing the markets, dude. For FOC? Oh, FOMC, MOC? I don't know. I think we're going to move, though. Feels like we're going to move. I'll probably play it on some accounts. Dude, let me just get... Fuck. Let me just get some water. I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, dude, Dell, you okay over there? Yo, what up, George? Where do you think the algos are going, Cove? Honestly, I mean, I called this short. I sold early, but yeah, I should have held that one. I think we're going to go right here, right in this zone. Right in this zone is a breaker block from before. And I think we're going to trade back into it and then up. That's what I think we're doing. 306. You know. That's pretty much what I think. What up, Larry? Do not come. Do not come. Kisa, I saw your bracket play for CPI. I think you got a little lucky since you got filled before 8:30 hit and wicked you in for a small pullback and then rocketed. I didn't get filled, Kisan, before 8:30. I got filled after CPI hit. Yeah, I definitely got filled after CPI hit. Most algos tend to blow in the direction of the day. Yeah. What up, Sean? Yeah, no, Kevin, my order was like 20 points above where it was at 8:30, so it had to have happened on the news. Kevin, you know there's a delay between the time. Look at this time. Look at this time, not the time on the. Yeah, go to the replay and look at the time up here, not the time on the stream. Yeah. What's up, free humanity? I mean, it's definitely chopping around. Yeah, no, we all passed on the thing. Kevin, look, it's 8:29 and 59 seconds, and I am not in right now. Look, I'm not in, and it's 29:59. I am not in. I'm not in. Yo, Dan, watch. I'm gonna catch the news right now. Ready? And then 8:30. You looking, Kevin? 8:29:59. I am not in. Not in. Boing. Fuck yeah, I got it. Yeah, Dan, I caught it. So clean. Yeah. Yeah, no, I didn't get in early, Kevin. I just did the thing. But I mean, I don't know where I don't know. I don't know how you did it or what, but I didn't get filled until 8:30, until the news hit. I could probably look at my orders. It'd probably be 8:30 and like on the dot. Yeah, you can, Brandon. You got to use a trade copier. You can. I had my. You can't do it on Tradeivate, but if you use oh, Dell, if you use Replicanto, you can. Like I do. That's why I was able to do that. If you look at the thing I just showed you, no, I did it on Apex, Take Profit Trader, and Tradeify. Yeah. Dude, we're chopping around now. I'm telling you, we go through this breaker at the top. I like it. We're just running out of time. Like we're just running out of time. I would want to go through this. Run through, like, this is an order block. We go through that and then retest. We're just, I gotta go to Home Depot, need Bed Bath and Beyond. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time. Please explain what the order block and breaker block, like what it is. Basically the order block is the last up candle before you go down, or the last down candle before you go up. And that's typically support or resistance. See, it was created right here. It was the last up candle before we went down. We go back in this area, we drop, we go back in this area, we drop. Right? And then once they're broken, if we trade over that, it becomes a breaker block. And then you want to go back in that area. I did not mean to draw that. So see how they change colors from orange to this green? That's when it becomes a breaker. And what you really want is this. See how we went over it and then we wicked back down and touched it? That's the place you want to buy, right there. And then we took it up. Damn, Sean. Damn, homie. Uh-oh, we're going for it. Bears went on, dude, Arnold, there's no bears left. Dude, there's no bears left. There's not one bear left. I'm going to take it short again. I just scalped at 55 short in the same area. I'm just playing the area. Yeah, back up. Back up to the order block. Back up to order block, rejection. Order block, rejection. I mean, I don't want to say it's like easy, but if you can wait, there's some really good plays. You know, same thing on the downside. Like we came into this order block down here. I mean, you could have gotten basically the bottom. I was hoping we were going to get down here. I don't think so. I think never know though. What are we playing here? Playing MOC? What am I playing MOC in? Is I don't really have like accounts. I'm going to play MOC in this. 87. So I'm just going to play it in one account. I'm just going to play it in 87 right here. Watch it pop higher. You never know. Never know. I believe algo is going up, but it'll only put a buy order below inside the fair value gap. We're going to see. We're going to see right now. I'm really seeing how those. Yeah, Jay Styles. It keeps you from not FOMOing into trades and waiting is what happens. It's one of those things that like you're not going to just buy it randomly because stochastics are low, but it stops you from doing shit. It 100% stops you. Boom, 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 boom. I think we're going up. I have this feeling they're just going to blow it through. Honestly, if they blow it through, okay. I don't know. Okay, Kevin. I'm not going back to look. Last I looked, I was in after 8 o'clock. So then you're right. I don't know. I don't know. What up, Nick? No, I mean I'm up in most of my accounts that I want to be up in. I'm not gonna risk I don't really have evals for it or whatnot. I'll be honest with you, Kevin. There was like 20 something people that made money in the chat today. So I don't think anybody had an issue. I was in the chat. We were live this morning and everybody was saying they made money. Everybody was saying that they were up money. What up, Garen? Yeah, I mean, the whole chat was throwing out how much money they made. I don't think anybody had an issue. Yeah. Everybody made money. What up, Methodical? I mean, I use Replicanto with on Tradeivate with through Replicanto, and all my accounts were up. Yeah, so Sean used Rhythmic and Tradeivate and worked perfect. I was having breakfast at school. Yeah, I used
Order filled.
Oh shit, I got filled. I didn't even know I got filled.
Order filled.
I didn't even know I got filled. How's that sound? That was kind of like a mistake. That was a mistake. Yeah, I don't know. Everyone used Rhythmic. Everyone used Tradeivate. We all made money. Dude, Sean's not probably. Yeah, I don't know. It's so old. Coming right off this fair value gap. Dude, I might smash this thing for let's just see. Can I do 10 and 10? Will they allow me to do that? Oh shit. I could do 10s. I could do 10s. What's 10 get me? 10 at 5 points. Oh, I just cracked my back. Joe, I'm definitely doing 10. Oh, that was micros. Fuck that. Let me see if I can do 10s. Can I do 10s minis? Oh, I can do 10 minis. 10 minis for 10 points. Yeah, that's fine. I don't want it to go the other way. I'm all in, CT. This is an all-in situation. 50K, 50K, 50K. Yeah, 50 a tick. Actually, I don't even need that. No way. I think we're going up. I think we're going up. No more premature filiation. Let's go. Dude, don't jinx me, Scotsman. Wick down and then wick up. I'm curious that if we're low, oh, geez, it's getting. By the way, don't do this if you don't want to lose an account. I don't want to hear that you lost an account. This is a pure gamble.
Order rejected.
What the fuck just happened? Oh, fuck. Bro. Yo, I accidentally did this on my fucking... Did that happen? Dude, I accidentally did it in this one PA account. Fuck. Yeah, it took it in a PA account. But it wasn't news related, so it's not terrible. But look. $934. I'm up. Yo, I hit in this. Well, not this. I also hit $500 in a Take Profit Trader account. Yo. Yo, you did it on your 15 funded? Jeez. Yo, that was fucking money. Coach Fred passed all 50Ks. Dude. Dude, that was awesome. That was fucking awesome. Yeah, that was clean. I should have checked to see if I was... Yo, now it's just unloading. Dude, that's unloading. Anyone taking this? I'll take it if it bounces off of right here. We go to 248, I'm in. Dude, not 10. I gotta switch this ATM actually. Let's see if it hits. I don't know if it's going to come down and hit there. I mean, that'd be awesome if it does. Yo, I just heard thunder. Dude, that was freaking money. Money. I mean, it kind of looks like they're going to bring it lower.
Order filled. Order filled.
Do I take that? That was a quickie. That was definitely a quickie. Y'all want a payout in this account. I'm getting close. I think I need $1,000 more for a payout. Oh, are they not going to come down? Come on, please. Please come here. Come on. Let's do it. Oh, dude, come on. They're not going to come down and grab the orders right there. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's making its way down. It's making us. What up, dip and rip and dip? What up? What up? Bro, I love Shay. It feels like a job that you try to excel at every day. Not like a normal job. We don't want to excel at. Boom. Come on. One more. Come on, NQ. Dude, it doesn't want to come down and touch my orders down here. I mean, I don't think I'm getting filled at this point. The market's almost closed. Market's almost closed. I don't think I'm going to get it. Let's see if they just dump it last minute. Last minute dumpski or popski? What do we think? Oh, I thought we had one. I thought we were closing in 30 seconds. I want to see a fucking big ass candle to the downside. I want to see one of these wick down candles. It feels like that's going to happen. There we go. $200. 85 and 120. Real smooth. That was a quickie. Watch, as soon as they close at 4 o'clock, they do a dump candle. I'm not even gonna hold it. I wanted the candle to be up a little bit. I still think it closes and they just drop it. Look, see? That's told you guys. Told you. What do I know? What do I know? Yeah. See? I'll risk it for the biscuit. Are they going to fill me, though? Are they going to fill it? Oh, what the fuck is that? Chad, don't be a buzzkill. Boom, bitches. That's $200, $220 in my funded account. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, that's the play. How do you not take that? That is literally the fucking play. This is the hourly imbalance. We come all the way down and touch it. How do you not take that? That's the play. It should have happened during market hours, but that's the play. Oh. What indicator is that on Tradeify? What, this blue line? This blue line right here? Yo. You walking like a penguin? It's called Tiki Opening Range. And then you set it for, I set mine for 15 minutes and 60 minutes. See, I have two of them. 1, 2. Somebody get him the Diddy oil. Diddy's like, shh, just let it happen. But yeah. Yo, all seriousness, if Keith kept adding up here, he would be up probably. Unless he got fucked on the way up. But other than that, basically any time, if he added anywhere here, Keith would be up right now. I wonder what he did. If he kept adding on the way up, he would be up a lot. I don't know. Time will tell whenever he resurfaces. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, they might have another round of down here. I'm out. I'm not playing. I'm fucking very happy with my day. My take profit trader accounts are up. My funded is up. Some evals are up. Pretty up. I'm good how my day ended. I don't want to mess it up. Dude, I'm really curious how Keith ended up, to be 100% honest. I'm curious if Keith kept DCAing up in this area and made money, or I wonder how he played it. I'm 100% being honest with you. I'm curious if he just I'm curious how it ended up. Because if he sold anything above this line, all this, it's all profit. So I'm curious how much he got in. Serious question. I just played the RSI today. The RSI thing is very interesting. Like, it's all interesting. I just think that you can't fight the news. I think if there's good news, you just can't fight it. I mean, you got a short up here, Chad. Like I just feel like you can't not short into this order block. It's literally right here. I obviously didn't fucking keep it for long, but you know, there's definitely an opportunity to short up here until it breaks. I've never used RSI, to be honest with you, DBT. See, like it even plays out after hours. This is, look, you could see. We trade back into it, and then when we reject. over and over and over. Yeah, I've never used RSI ever. Forever. I don't know. I just feel like RSI just hasn't been a thing for me. I don't know. If you use it, it works. It's good. I don't. I just use what works for me, and if whatever works for you, you should use. That's how I look at any of this stuff. If it works for you, keep using it. That's it.
The market is closed.
The market is totally rigged. That's how I look at all this stuff, though. If it works for you, keep using it. Yeah, I don't use I only have it up here because I was looking at something because Keith was talking about it. But I'm eventually just going to get rid of this. Oh, man. I'm exhausted. Anybody have questions? Yo, I'm not a big fan because of what's considered oversold can even be more oversold. Yeah. Cube, you know what I like indicators like that is when there's no news. So, argument's sake, tomorrow, there's no news tomorrow, right? So, most likely, we're going to be in a chop zone. It's going to go up a little bit. We're going to go down. We might finish higher. We might finish lower. But overall, you're going to probably chop tomorrow, right? You're probably going to get more of this type of action, right? This is what tomorrow is probably going to look like, whether it's to the upside or the downside. So you could probably use RSI tomorrow because we're probably going to be in a zone. Would I use RSI on a news day when we're fucking ripping someone's face off? Probably not. Probably not. Probably just follow the news. Most of the time, come 2 p.m. is when the news starts dying off. I look for 2 p.m. reversals. You know, it reversed a little bit earlier than 2 p.m. 150 was almost the high. But to me, usually by 2 p.m., it reverses because you have a new 4-hour candle. So on days with news, I look for a 2 p.m. reversal. Tomorrow, I just expect to kind of move around in an area. But like I said, we could be up or down 0.5%, maybe more, but it's going to be up, down, up. You know, I think you could probably use the Keith DCA method tomorrow. I bet you it works great. I'm probably going to use it tomorrow. I didn't really use it today because of the news. China. Yo, you ain't kidding. But that's how I look at things. Is like when there's news, news trumps all. That's it. News is going to trump all. So you just kind of ride the news and that's it. When you have no news, you look for a day and use the indicators more. I don't know. Just my thoughts, what I've seen over time. Thursday's PPI, yeah. So tomorrow's a no news day. I bet you, especially that we just moved up a lot today. I bet you tomorrow is kind of a chop zone. What up, Josh? Bro, I got my brother buying fucking KeyCat coin. What? I don't even know what's going on. Keycat coin. Unbelievable. Oh, my fucking jaw hurts from talking all day because we streamed early today. I would not trade PPI news. It's always less than CPI. Oh, Amelia. Here, I can just read some of this. To the moon! Keycats, not my portfolio. Adding another 1,500 plus. I'm going to try hit it 1 million. Got to buy more. Put another 20K in. V-Chain. I'm loading the boat. Hold the bags. Yo. Fucking. Dude. Use Dex Layer. Dex on Soul all day. Yo, I got like 70K to play with, but really only want to put 50 in. I got another 30 in USDT. Bro, if you guys think like, yo, my brothers are straight degenerates. Straight degenerates. Actually, the chat is me. The text chat is me, Jay, my 3 brothers, Jay's friend Tony, and my other friend Sal. I think that's what's in the chat. Oh, and my friend Rob. And Jay's brother-in-law. Yeah. Yep. But he doesn't talk that much. That's our fucking chat. That's our chat. Yo, Vivek. What up, bro? What up, bro? Yo, it is a straight degen chat. My brother will be like, yo, I'm up 50 grand today. Yo, I'm down 40,000. Yo, I should have sold. I'm sick. Yo, oh my God. I keep checking. We're up. We're up. All day. All fucking day. Oh, man, this Diddy trial is getting wild. Freak-offs in multiple states. Oh, man. Yo, hotels' rooms were trashed after freak-offs. Yo, where'd you put my bomb? Yo, I lost 40,000. Yo, Waldo, I'm not even kidding you. Yo, I lost 40,000. Yo, my account had 750,000 in it. And now it went as low as 120,000. And now I got 500,000 in it. Yo, these are the text messages I read during the day when I'm on the stream. Yo, it's just all over the place. Yo, my other brother's laughing at the other one. Just put another 20,000 in. Give my name again. What? Vivek? I don't think I have the psychology to negotiate anymore. What do you mean negotiate, Joyce? Oh, my head's spinning. My head is freaking spinning. I'm so like fucking long day. That's because I streamed from 8:15 until noon instead of 10:30. So I streamed an extra 2 hours and 15 minutes today. It actually takes a lot out of you, to be honest with you. You got to interact for the whole day. I'm like, my jaw My jaw's hurting. Now I know how my wife feels. Dude, one of Jay's friends is playing with a lot of fucking money. He was buying punks, those NFT punks, before they were big and sold them. I think he bought like 4 or 5 for like 15,000 and sold all of them in the 60s and 70s. Yeah, they're I mean, hey, well, I mean, all power to them. If you want to risk it, you got to risk it for the biscuit. But yeah, Jay's boy Tony is playing with the most amount of money that I've seen somebody play with in crypto that I personally know. Yeah. Oh, man. I'm freaking exhausted. All right, I'm going to run this thing. Duck race time. $20 is $20. Oh, so if you got any questions, now's the time to ask. Vivek. I try my best. I'm not saying the last name. I have no fucking clue how to say that. All right, let me get to this. Yo, if you're new in here, hit the subscribe button. If you're new, also, you got to hit the little bell button. Otherwise, you're not going to get notified I'm live. You got to hit the bell button. They won't notify you. Also, that's the Discord. We're going to do a poker tournament next week. I'll put the link in the Discord. Also, the Discord, a bunch of us hang out in there all day and at night. So if you want to go in, it's free. I got to set up the ducks. Damn, there's a lot of people that added ducks today. A lot of ducks. I'm going to have to add some of these duck people to the morning because I'm not going to run it 3 times. So we'll do 2 races. 2 races. By the way, if you're new, we stream live every day, 10:30 to noon. And then again, 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you want to support the stream, make sure to use coupon code COVETRADER. That's what allows me to do all these free giveaways and everything else that we do. So use the code below. Everyone keeps asking me what my favorite prop firm is. Take Profit Trader is the way to go. 30% off, 0 activation fee. It's the best one. Just throwing it out there. People keep asking. Yo, nooner time. Can you give some advice for new future traders? I would watch a bunch of my videos, Vivek. Also, I would go in the Discord and ask a lot of questions in there. I would definitely ask questions in the Discord. People talk trading in there all the time, and there's some real good info. Nooner time. Dude, am I gonna have to say it every time we fucking stop streaming at noon? Yo, it's nooner time. See you guys later. Yo. Yo, I appreciate that, Vivek. I appreciate that. And we do account giveaways like every day. Maybe you'll win one. Yo, it's 4. You got 2 minutes to claim. And then we're going to run another for the afternoon. 2 minutes. Otherwise, we're going to rerun it. 426, I hit the button. 426, I am hitting the button. Dude, we're going to have a rerun here. Vivek, we race and the winner plays another winner, and that winner gets a free Take Profit Trader account. Yo, is someone signing into their 5th account, or is he not here? But we need a rerun chant. Yo, we need a rerun chant. You missed it for today, but you'll be able to join it tomorrow, Vivek. It's all automated. Yeah, exclamation point, Cove Trader. Rerun, rerun, rerun. Yo, I'm giving him 30 seconds. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. You. We rerunning it. We're running this bitch back, baby. That's why you don't leave. Boom, 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 boom. Who do we got? Who do we got? Smash them ones. Come on. And we have uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's coming up? Someone's going up real fast. Pete Jazz. Yo, Pete Jazz, are you here? Pete Jazz, are we here? Pete Jazz is in the house. All right, we got another race coming. By the way, if we hit 100 people on the stream this week, I will do something special. 100 people on the stream. We get so close all the time. We get so freaking close. I'm like, just hit it. About to call grandma and tell her to get on. I think we hit 87 today. Do a grand thing for 10. You guys don't realize I got botted at some point. I got botted at some point back in the day. Just an FYI. And they added a bunch of subs. But randomly at 2 in the morning, I was getting 250 subs some days. I don't know what was going on. And I couldn't figure it out. Yeah, no, I know. We've been talking about it for a while. So like that's how I got probably like a bunch of subs. Maybe 2,000 subs came that way, just randomly. And then it stopped. They said I was winning too much at Topstep, and then they they bombarded me. No fucking way. Oh, I thought they were going to push the chump duck up. Yo, DBT in the house. You got 2 minutes, DBT. DBT's got to be here. Yo, imagine he left. Bro, somebody better call him up. Oh. So it's Pete versus DBT. I don't know why it's not working. There we go. Yo. I'll do sacks tomorrow. We'll sack race tomorrow. Uh-oh. Pete. They got you winning, Pete. Are you going to hold them off? You never know, and you never know. Pete's going to hold it off. Look. You never know on balls. Balls are like that. Yo, DBT, you got to practice up, man. Got to practice up, DBT. Monica! Yo, Pete rode that thing. Yo, send me an email, Pete. There's always tomorrow. Always tomorrow. Yo, later code. That was more stressful than trading. Today was a pretty good day. Yo, later, Sean. Oh, any questions about prop firms, strategies, my charts, anything? Now's the time to ask because I could share my screen. I could show you whatever. Now is the time to ask. Now is definitely the time to ask for anything. That's the link to the Discord. Oh, man. Playing prop firm CEO pass or smash. I'm in. I'm in. Definitely in. Oh. Dude, my eyeballs. Yo, later, Cash. But yeah, 100 people on the chat, and we'll do something special. We'll see what happens. Oh, my eyeballs. This is the deal, though. Just came up. That's the best deal right now, personally. I don't like the My Funded Futures deal this week. I like when they were giving money off on the starter accounts and starter pluses. Or 20% resets were nice on My Funded Futures also. Yeah. See, start hour is 9:30 and duration is 15 minutes. I take the middle off and I go upper, lower. So that is the 15-minute orb. And then over here, 9:30 it starts. And then I do the 60-minute orb. And I take the middle off. I just do upper, lower. That's what I'm saying. Now is a great time to ask questions because I could show you it. There's no pressure. There's nothing going on. It's supposed to go play baseball tonight. I hope it rains. I kind of don't want to play. It's supposed to rain all fucking night. All good, Vince. Ask away. Any questions? Answers? All right. If not, I'm going to get going because I got to go. Oh, why you want the rain? Because it's going to rain a little bit, Tony. So it's either I'm going to play in the rain or they're going to cancel it and reschedule it for a night that there's no rain. So I would rather play no rain. Is the orb your favorite strategy? Yes. And I use the same strategy with the 60-minute as I do with the 15. So I kind of treat them the same. It's just a different orb. But yes, the orbs are my favorite strategy. Yep. Yeah, I want the rain to cancel it. I want to get canceled. Dude, today was a real good day. I thought today was really good. Passed a bunch of accounts. Well, passed some accounts, made money in a bunch of accounts. Made some money at the end. Is it possible here to win giveaway CZ? I'm not win any giveaway. Yeah, I mean, everybody can win it. Yo, later, Maria. I do a 15-minute and 60-minute, Carl. That's what I do. Today was kind of a weird day because we shot up so fast. Today was kind of a weird day. If we didn't shoot up so fast, I think it would have been better, but, you know, it is what it is. Oh, man, my eyeballs. All right, I'm jumping off. I'm going to grab a snack. I don't use it in Asia or London, Carl. I typically only use it in New York, so you got to test it out for other time frames. But I'll be back tomorrow at 10:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader and hit that little bell so you get notified when I go live. All right? Have a good night, everybody, and I'll see you in the Discord if you want to hang out. Peace!